In the city of Chicago, what is an easy permit?
Contrary to what an easy permit is, it's not very easy, but the idea of an easy permit is certain things as part of a project do not they're not like life safety issues. Like you're not trying to like move walls or install new HVAC systems and all of that that was previously not there. So there's specific items and that you can also go to the City of Chicago's website and kind of get an idea, like changing cabinets, changing plumbing fixtures, changing changing some windows, and very, very cosmetic related items. Those are all come under the program called Easy Permit or EPP, Easy Permit Process, and it involves someone going with all the paperwork, a filled out application, and and then going to the City Hall's Easy Permit desk, and then they walk out with the permit. So that is the intent of the program, where it does not need drawings and scrutiny by a reviewer, that the building department trusts that it's small enough that they can give you a permit over the counter.